Hello everybody, welcome to our new video, and today we're gonna do a simple quick video whereby we want to learn how to do what we want to make a bootable USB. So in case you downloaded some ISO file and you want to make you want to upgrade or install a new operating system on any computer you want to use, but now I'm using Kali Linux. We're gonna use Kali Linux commands so that we do what we do that work. So what you got to do now, first of all, you have to download your stuff, what you want to download. Me, I downloaded Ubuntu, though I'm using Kali Linux. I downloaded Ubuntu in downloads. This is the ISO file I downloaded, so I want to make a bootable disk on that. So another thing is, like, I've inserted my USB. After inserting USB and also after downloading this, go to your terminal, and also in the terminal, what you got to do is there is a command called fdisk -L, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, once you run that command, you have to analyze what the disks here. This first disk, it's my hard drive. It's 300 gig. So but now what you're gonna do, you might be maybe you attached a lot of devices on your computer. So what you're gonna do, take them all off, then attach only the USB. So in most cases, the USB, it can be identified by its size. So go here, because if you make a mistake here, you're gonna wipe out your entire disk, which means you won't have access to your computer anymore until when you fix that. So in this, you can get your data back. So after doing this, and know that what I'm doing is true, is the right thing. So what you're gonna do, sudo, I'm already sudo, but I want to do this, sudo, and write this command. So sudo dd sb equals to m what equals to 4m. So after doing that, look at the command, how it goes. So there's no space here. This is, I put it in the download folder. This is the ISO file. Then this is the drive, my drive. This is what we call the SDB. So after that, you can hit enter. Yes, once you hit enter, the process gonna start. So it has started. So it's copying the files onto the stick. It might take a while depending on how fast your computer is, but please do not press enter before you make sure that this is the disk I'm writing on. So another thing, if you have something on your memory stick, it's gonna wipe everything out. But the best thing is, take your important information and back it up somewhere. Take the stick, format it using Windows. I think it could be better to use Windows, but if you can't, then it's fine. So I think this command can work in most of the Linux flavors. But me, I'm using Ubuntu. I'm using Kali Linux, but I'm writing an Ubuntu ISO on my stick. So I want to install it on another laptop. So let's wait and see when we're done what it's gonna tell us. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe on the channel, and this is one of the most sensitive commands you can run, because I made a mistake one day last year. I messed up the entire hard drive. So what you have to do, you have to make sure you use the fdisk -L to show you which is your memory stick name. So another thing is, like, this name for the memory stick changes every time when you insert into the machine. Don't rely on this and say every time I'm gonna run this command, then I'm gonna be fine when I insert in the memory stick. No, it won't work like that. The only thing you have to do is to make sure everything is fine, the name is fine. Then this is the most important part on your command, this one, because it can mess up everything. So I hope this works for you. But what you have to do, I don't think it matters on which Linux you're using, because people who are using distro, it's okay. Ubuntu, it could also be fine 100%, but this is the way I'm doing. So you can write an ISO. Maybe you want to write a Windows ISO on your memory stick, then it's fine also. So let's see how it's gonna go. Just waiting. I'm writing a 2 gig ISO, but you can see now we're sitting on 1.6 already. I'm writing a 2 gig something, but you know those files are compressed, so they are bigger than what we see. Hope, let's go. I wanna install into my laptop. Let's see. Guys, you should be patient. The process doesn't take a lot of time. It's gonna be soon. We're gonna be done. You can see now we're on 2 megabytes out of 2.4 out of 2.6. Yeah, that part is done, so we're gonna go to another part. Let's give it a chance and finish everything. See the process, how the process go and everything. Once it's done, it's gonna give us it's gonna tell us as soon as possible. Yes, it's done. Guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. This just takes less than 9 minutes, so it's not that much longer than writing a CD, writing CDs all the time. You know, CDs, they are not people, they are not things which we really need to use all the time. Guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on this channel, and also remember to check critical stuff like as I told you, you must be sure that this part is your operating system. your stick, memory stick. So if you don't do this part, you're gonna have a problem. So if you must be 100% sure that this is not something to play with, this is something which is my memory stick. You see, my memory stick is 10 meg something. It was 10 meg something. You know, it's 8 megabytes, 8 gig. So that's why you can see 7.5 something. You get me? So you make sure. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.